Want an army of creators selling your product on TikTok? I'll show you how to get started in today's video. So you can see our client made over $150,000 in sales on TikTok, and it was just with one strategy, and that's affiliates. So if we scroll down on their product, we'll see all of the affiliates that they, and even in different countries, this one got 88,000 likes, 21,000 likes, not even in the same country, 110,000, 1.5, so many videos. And what they're doing is they're targeting certain people, giving them the product, they're making a video, and sometimes they go viral, sometimes they don't. So first, you want to log into TikTok Shop or the TikTok Seller Center. Then you're going to go to Affiliate. Once you're here, you're going to click Go to Open Collaboration. And it's going to go here, and then you click Go to Affiliate Center Home. And now it's going to take you here to affiliate-us.tiktok.com. And the first thing that pops up is refundable samples. So what you do is you can give away a sample, right? So let's say I was selling this product. What you can do is turn on refundable samples, just like it says right here. Refundable samples only cost you. And what the person has to do, the affiliate, is they have to buy your product first. And then if they generate a sale, then you refund them. So that's one strategy, but that strategy usually doesn't work unless you have a really popular product, because no affiliates want to buy your product. They want free products, and then they'll make a sale. So what you can do is you can go to Open Collaboration, and you can enroll your products here for if you want refundable samples, or if you want to just show people that you're willing to give them out for free in return for a video. So you can see added products right here. And then what you're going to do is add your products here, set a commission rate, right? We have 999 stock, a lot of items. Then you can set your commission rate. Obviously, the higher the commission rate, the more people are going to want to buy your product or use your product for free and make a video. So we put it at 15%. You can see the suggested commission is between 14 and 20%. And then you're going to do a free sample. So you're going to click this little edit button, and this is where you can offer free samples to people. So again, we already talked about refundable samples. Creators first purchase the sample from you. Once they pretty much make a sale, then you give it to them. So you can say you have to generate 3 sales, then you give them a refund, or 1 sale, up to you. Or you can offer free samples. Initially, I recommend free samples. So you can turn this on and then turn off refundable samples. That's what I recommend to start. And then you want to make sure that you can see the creators that are sharing, right? And then what you want to do is make sure that they have to get approved for it. So once it's completely up to you on how you want to do this, but you definitely want to turn this on. This is one way to do it, right? But what our client does is they only offer refundable samples right now. So you can just turn on refundable samples, and then you can give free samples out to targeted people. So you can go to targeted collaboration, and you can target specific people that you know are your target market. For example, if we look at Hickaway, right? Let's see if it will show us it. So if we look at Hickaway, we'll notice that the target market is mostly women. So if you know your target market, then what you can do is target specific people. So their target market is going to be women that are ages 18 to 50. And let's see. And we can look deeper into that. If you know that they have kids and stuff like that, you can look into that more, because a lot of people are buying these for their kids as well, because it works for kids and adults to stop hiccups. So what you want to do is you want to do a targeted collaboration and give those people that you know are targeted and know that could make your product go viral, the product for free. So in order to do that, you click Find Creators, and now you can just filter it. So we can go to Filter by Creators, and you can do the product category that they usually make it in, right? So maybe we could do home supplies, and you can do their follower count. They must have at least probably 10,000 followers. It's either, sometimes lives do good as well. And then you can look at their videos. So here's an example. Olivia Favies, she made $53,000 already for creators. And then you could invite her and then give her, and she's got 6% engagement, which you can see is a lot higher than other people's engagement. And you can invite her and give her a free product. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to bookmark her. I'm going to scroll down and find one more. I'm going to bookmark this girl as well, Emily. And then I'm going to go to targeted collaboration. And now I'm going to click get started. And you can do 1,000 of these. So you can do 1,000. So use them wisely. So I'm going to do example. And we're going to say it's valid for 1 week. And you're going to type in your email address. And then you're going to say, hey, we have this awesome product that stops hiccups. We would love for you to be a part of this. Shoppable video. You're going to add your product. Right, I just want to give away this. Let's just say it's the Hickaway. We're going to click send, set up free samples. And now this one, we're going to auto approve the request because this is very targeted. So that way, right when they get it, they can see, oh, I want this product. They'll get auto approved. And then you can click choose a creators and you're going to click add pre-selected. And here they are right here because we bookmarked them. And then we're going to add them. And then right after we add them, we can send this out. And then we can come back and see if they accepted it. If they don't accept it within 7 days, then they're not going to be able to accept the product for free. And pretty much it's a numbers game. You can invite 50 creators at once per targeted campaign. But what you want to do is really find your target market and then double down on that. So if you're selling, again, hiccup straws, we can see that most of the people are going to be moms aged 18 to 50, right? Because they're going to be using this for their kids and for themselves. Now, you don't want to completely leave out men, but it's up to you on how you want to do this. The more targeted the customer is, the more successful and the easier it is for the ideas and the videos to go viral. Now, when the game changes and you get one viral video, you want to send that viral video to all of your affiliates. So anytime you start inviting affiliates, what you want to do is create a viral flywheel. So any videos that you have made that are viral, you want to say, hey, look, this is a video I made viral. Please utilize this as a template. So if you send your affiliates videos that had gone viral before, they can copy it and there's a high potential it'll go viral again. So again, this is the viral flywheel. Automatically provide top performing videos to all new affiliates for them to recreate. So again, this just makes it a lot easier for you to succeed. Now, there's tons of ways to become successful on TikTok, but I'm just showing you one exact way that you can utilize affiliates to do it. And remember, this product is pretty cheap to make, so that's why they're able to give away so many free items. If you're giving away mattresses and it's a lot more expensive, you need to spend more time and really research the affiliates to make sure they do it right the first time. But cheap products or cheap manufacturing costs, that's going to help you be able to ship and send so many out. You can see it's short, sweet, easy to ship, things like that. But if you did want to learn more about TikTok, we do have a course, so you can go to our courses. And I created a very, very big course on how to sell on TikTok Shop for Amazon sellers. And it goes through everything, how to start on TikTok, how to create a TikTok account, how to connect your Amazon account to your TikTok so Amazon does fulfillment. A lot of different stuff here if you wanted help with that. But that's it for today's video. If you want more TikTok videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a TikTok seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your TikTok journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on TikTok, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description for you to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.